inspired by An Yujin's look. This is very refreshing, and there is that kind of acting youth feeling. Style is also painting. Is it less? We will be together today. Let's have a try. We want the whole makeup to be cleaner. If it is advanced, the base makeup part is more refined. I feel that my recent state of no makeup is still very online skin. The words are very transparent, and the muscles are not dull and sallow. In fact, it is the second generation Panax Noto Ginseng water milk that relies on this skin. A good disciple who has been raised for a long time is now at this time. Apply it to check its water. The texture is very refreshing, and the inside is not that ordinary. Panax Noto Ginseng is a self-developed Grand Platinum compound. Panax Noto Ginseng has a stronger ability to process melanin. If you laugh for nothing, I will also be better than a single Panax Noto Ginseng. The product is assisted. In this case, I am very good at brightening the color. Let's apply a wet compress for 5 minutes first. Micrometabolism? If you are done applying, apply this lotion again and give it a thick layer. This is a whitening water milk, but I think its skin feel is really comfortable. Not sticky at all. And this component is very mild. At the same time, panthenol and sodium hyaluronate are added to hydrate our skin. Looking at the temperament on the picture, the face is very hydrated and bright. Even if I use dry, sensitive skin like mine, it's still okay. Sister, take a look at the used up skin condition. This is it. Clear and bright. If this is plain, it is also very fair and delicate, and there is no such dull skin at all. If it is too dry, if you say that you like sweets, stay up late like me, this face is more likely to be dull. Yellowed sisters, as long as they can put their hands, change the water milk to this set. It can not only satisfy your daily skin hydration and moisturization, but also brighten the complexion. The cost performance is really high, like this. The bottom of the skin. The child has been typed, and we can directly apply the base makeup. Take this thin one in one layer. The whole base makeup feels thinner. We're done with the bare base makeup. Let's put on the blush. I'm looking forward to dipping this blush back into it. Hit a face under the chin with a ball. More. A little me. Fully coated. And here on the back of your face, a little bit of this blush. The face looks good. I think the color chosen is good, and then we will trim the face first. The color is that I trimmed the gold buckle with a darker color and then used a brush to smudge it again to see. The ferocity of your head I am. You who are scared, open your eyes slowly. And then we can now define the eyebrow part a little bit. Gently press this eyebrow. Today is a simple flat eyebrow. Use this color. The brow here, we raise a little bit from the brow. If the head draws it out and wants my smoky feeling, is it a fluff or emphasize it for him so that it can be a little bit? I am Red Miko. We will use this color for eye makeup first. Simply make a base and use it again. This color applies to our double eyelid folds. This color is not on our aegyosal. It will brighten again later, and the effect will be better. Take another look at this color. Head, eye. The tail painting of 4 deepens as follows. I stood up with a knife and killed him. Don't let me. With the shadow of Aegyo's saliva, one eye lifted the Aegyo's saliva out. Tip it up the eyelashes and then the black glue pen to fill the gap between the eyelashes. Apply the brush first and paste this false eyelashes under it to see the effect. I am still disappointed with this transparent eyelashes. Brush the setting more. Then we dip this in the darkest color. Apply one down at the end of your eyes. Eyeliner. I go down to the back of my lip and deepen it. 1. Under the fragrance, there may be a little brightening, and there may be residues. If the current eye makeup is more energetic, you can use this liquid pen. Just give it a little more depth. Not much. After the eye makeup is done, please trim the eye socket here. Deepen it. This one at the moment has a slight pink-purple brightening. Let's just use this for our immediate part. Bring it black. Lip makeup is applied with reference to it like this, and it feels a little eyebrow powder without this. A color. But that's the captain. But already twists Ashu. Take a look at this makeup. That's it. I'll go. Do your hair.